Sabrina, and today we're going to make a lace crown for your doll.
For this craft, you're going to need a pipe cleaner and some lace. You're going to need at least 11 inches of lace that's in between a 1/4 inch and a full inch tall. I already made this crown for my doll out of metallic silver lace that I bought on Etsy from 32 North Suppliers. Today I'm going to be making a gold crown out of this lace, which I bought on Etsy from Mary Not Martha. For tools, you're going to need a ruler and scissors to measure and cut your lace. You'll also need a hot glue gun and a chopstick or wooden pencil to press the lace down onto the hot glue. You might also want some flat-backed rhinestones to embellish your crown a little bit. You can use hot glue to glue them on, but I found that Eileen's glitter and gem glue works a little bit better. If you form a small circle with your lace and it kind of flops over, you may want to stiffen it a little bit. I used Podge in this craft, but you can also use a mix of 50-50 glue and water, hairspray, or liquid starch. I'm going to take this 11-inch piece of lace and I'm going to lie it flat on my work surface. Then I'm going to take my hot glue and put a thin piping of glue along a couple inches of the bottom of the lace. Now take your pipe cleaner and leaving a few centimeters at one end, attach it by pressing it down onto the lace. You can also use a chopstick or pencil to press it down. That way you won't burn your fingers. Lift up the lace before the glue dries so it doesn't get stuck to the paper. Continue gluing along the lace. Remember after each section to lift the lace off the paper to make sure it won't get stuck. So as you can see, once my lace is glued on, there's a little bit of pipe cleaner on either side of the ends. I'm going to use that pipe cleaner to twist it together to create a loop. And now you have the basic shape of the crown. If you have a lace that's less than 1 inch tall, then you'll probably be fine and the lace will hold itself up on its own. However, if you want a slightly stiffer crown or a slightly taller lace, you might put some Mod Podge, 50-50 glue and water, or hairspray in order to stiffen it up a bit. As you can see, right now I'm just painting some Mod Podge onto the back side of the lace. I would do a thin coat of Mod Podge, let it dry, and then see how stiff your lace is, and add another coat if you want it any stiffer. If you do use liquid starch, you use it by pouring a little bit into a tray, and then dipping the lace in, removing the lace, and allowing it to dry. Once everything is dry and the Mod Podge is stiffened, you can go ahead and attach gems like I did on the silver one. It's not necessary, I think it looks pretty good just how this gold one is, but if you want to use some Eileen's glitter and gem glue to attach some flat-back rhinestones, I think it's a very nice touch.
Now your crown is finished. Thanks for watching and have a great day.